Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Gazebo Replacement Top is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your outdoor living space. Whether your current canopy is showing signs of wear and tear from sun exposure, wind, or rain, or you simply want to refresh the look of your gazebo, choosing the right replacement top is crucial. In this video, we'll dive into the top 10 options available, helping you find the perfect fit to enhance your backyard experience. Number 5. Yescom 10 by 10 foot canopy replacement for Walmart gazebo. This replacement canopy is designed specifically for your Walmart gazebo. It's a perfect fit to refresh your outdoor space. It's easy to install and will make your gazebo look brand new. Made with water-resistant polyester and PU coating, this canopy provides a cozy space even when it's drizzling. It also offers UV 30+ protection, blocking harmful sun rays and keeping the area cool during summer. The canopy features a ventilated top with mesh netting, allowing air to circulate freely. This design ensures proper ventilation and helps with water drainage, keeping you comfortable. Installing this canopy is simple. Just place the corners over your gazebo frame and attach the finial. Hook and loop fasteners are included for secure attachment to the frame. Before purchasing, measure your gazebo frame. Measure the upper and bottom tier hemline and the hypotenuse. Ensure your measurements are within the compatible frame size to guarantee a perfect fit. What we like. This replacement top is specifically designed for Walmart gazebos, ensuring a perfect fit. It offers excellent water resistance and UV 30+ protection, keeping you safe from the elements. If you have a Walmart gazebo and need a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits perfect. Makes my gazebo look like new. It does fit the Walmart 10 by 10 gazebo I've had more than 10 years. Fits my Canadian Tire gazebo frame perfectly, and right out of the box I could tell it was way better made. Lots of tie downs including some up the angles, which the original cover never had. Great in the sun, great in the rain. Rigid enough to stand up to the winds, and the Velcro corners are a neat little tightening feature. Number 4. Yescom 10 by 10 foot gazebo top replacement. This replacement canopy top is designed for 10 by 10 foot gazebos and beach cabanas. It provides shade, allowing you and your friends to enjoy your outdoor leisure time. The classic color fits various settings. Made from 200G SQM polyester with PA coating, this canopy offers UV 30+ protection. It effectively blocks harmful sun rays and prevents heat buildup, keeping you cool on hot days. Installing this canopy is simple. Just place the corners over your gazebo frame. It also includes hook and loop fasteners for secure attachment to the frame. The canopy features reinforced corners for durability. It also includes vent holes for ventilation and water drainage, ensuring it lasts a long time. To ensure a proper fit, measure your gazebo frame's hemline and hypotenuse. Make sure your measurements are within the compatible frame size range, or it won't fit your frame. What we like. This canopy top provides a universal fit for 10 by 10 feet one-tier gazebos. It features UV 30+ protection, shielding you from the sun's harmful rays. If you are looking for a simple, versatile solution for your gazebo, this is a great choice. What people say. The replacement top fit perfectly. The fabric seems to be of good quality and should last a while. It was easy to install. Number 3. Stansport Deluxe Duffel Bag. Introducing the Stansport Deluxe Duffel Bag. This bag is designed for all your travel and storage needs. It's the perfect companion for any adventure. This duffel bag features a classic black canvas design. It's made from durable materials, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. Made of extra heavy-duty cotton canvas, this bag is built to last. All stress points are reinforced for added durability, so you can rely on it. It comes with a cotton web shoulder strap and a reinforced handle. This makes it easy to carry, whether you're traveling or just heading to the gym. The top-loading design features a snap hook closure for added security. This will keep your belongings safe and secure. With dimensions of 36 by 10 by 10 inches, this bag offers plenty of space. It's ideal for travel, camping, gear storage, and more. What we like. This duffel bag is built with heavy-duty cotton canvas and reinforced stress points, ensuring durability. It features a comfortable shoulder strap and reinforced handle for easy carrying, If you need a reliable bag for travel or gear storage, consider this one. What people say. The gazebo top fit perfectly. The material is much better than the original one. It was easy to install. Number 2. Yescom 10 by 10 foot Gazebo Replacement Canopy. This replacement canopy is designed for dual-tier gazebo frames. It offers a comfortable outdoor shade, perfect for relaxing with friends and family in your garden, backyard, or by the pool. Made with 200G SQM polyester and a 2-layer PU coating, this canopy is water-resistant, providing shelter during light rain. It also offers UV 30+ protection, blocking harmful sun rays and keeping the shaded area cooler. The canopy features mesh netting between the top and lower tiers, allowing for airflow and ventilation. It also includes grommets on each side to ensure proper water drainage. Installation is easy. Simply place the corners of the bottom tier canopy over the gazebo frame, then secure the upper tier. Hook and loop fasteners are included to fix the canopy to the frame. Before purchasing, measure the upper and bottom tier hemline of your gazebo frame. Also, measure the hypotenuse of the frame. Ensure your measurements are within the compatible frame size range to guarantee a proper fit. What we like. This replacement top is designed for universal 2-tier gazebo frames. It features a PU coating for water resistance and a zippered ventilated top for optimal airflow. If you like a gazebo with great ventilation and protection, you should consider it. What people say. The gazebo top fit perfectly. The material seems to be of good quality. It was easy to install. Number 1. BenefitUSA 10 foot by 10 foot gazebo canopy cover, Taupe. This is the BenefitUSA replacement canopy cover. It's designed to fit gazebos with a 10 foot by 10 foot frame. It's a great way to refresh your outdoor space. Made from durable polyester, this canopy is built to last. It's designed to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting shade and protection. Replacing your old canopy is easy with this cover. It's designed for a simple and convenient installation process, saving you time and effort. Enjoy the outdoors while staying protected. This canopy blocks up to 95% of the sun's harmful UV rays, keeping you and your loved ones safe. Whether it's a party, barbecue, or just relaxing, this canopy is perfect. It's ideal for recreational, commercial, and party use, providing shade and comfort. What we like. This canopy cover is easy to replace and made of durable polyester material. It blocks up to 95% of the sun's UV rays. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to protect yourself from the sun, this is a great option. What people say. The replacement canopy fit perfectly. The fabric seems to be of good quality and should last a while. The canopy is well made and the color is great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.